Okay, so today we will talk about arithmetic operations in JavaScript, how you can do addition, how you can do subtraction, how you can do the division, how you can find the exponential, all these things. So let's go ahead and start it. So in JavaScript we use this plus sign for addition. So we say, let's example, when we have x equal to 10 and when we do x plus 5, so we get 15. And for subtraction we have this minus sign and this star symbol for the multiplication, and this division sign for division, and we have a modulus this percent sign. This is for the modular division, which will give me the remainder remaining by taking the variable. So let's go ahead and just start it. Okay, so we take and we say let number 1 and say 20. Okay, and then we say let number 2 and that is equal to 30. Okay, and now we do is let output. Okay, and first we do is addition of these two numbers. So we say number 1 plus number 2. Okay, and now using alert and show this output. So saving and going into our command promote and say cd documents directory and name of our HTML file, so index.html, and when running this, so we get 15 our output. Okay, so this is how addition is do. And now we're gonna do is minus, saving and running. So we got minus 10, no problems in that also. And when well multiplying, so we use this sign. Okay, and running, so we got 20 into 30 and that is 600, no problems again. And for the division, let's say we do is 10 upon 3, and we know the answer should be 3.3, and let's test it. Okay, so we got our 3.3333 and in 5, no problem again. And for the power we say this, and how actually this power is doing, let's check out first. So for the power we doing is a to the power of b, and that is the a to the power of b. So we will do this again, or so in this case we have 10 to the power of 3, number 1 to the power of number 2, so the 10 to the power of 3, and that is equal to 1000. So let's check it, running our HTML, and we got this 1000. Okay, no problem again. And for the modular sign we do this, so we got 1 in our output, that is how. Okay, and checking for another example, so we do is 11, saving with control S and running our HTML file, and now we got our remainder 2. So this is how this is how the arithmetic operations are performing in this. And there is another method to do, like we do alert and 10 plus 3 plus 2 like this, and saving with control S and running our HTML file. So we got 10 plus 3 plus 2, and that is 15. So this is how these things are working. In this video we will talk about the operator precedence in JavaScript. So how actually if we have some operations like 10 plus 3 multiply 2 by 3, something like this, so how the operator precedence is working in real or also in the JavaScript. In the next video we will talk about it, so wait for the next tutorial. So you can do is subscribe my channel, click on the bell notification icon for getting new videos regarding JavaScript, or you can join the JavaScript playlist. Okay, so I will provide you the link in the video. So thanks for watching this tutorial and share with your friends. Thank you.